Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door handle. First, gather your essential tools. You will need screwdrivers, a tape measure, and a utility knife. Make sure your replacement handle matches your door's backset, which is the distance from the door's edge to the center of the bore hole. Also, consider the finish and style to complement your home's aesthetic. Having the right tools and parts makes the process much smoother. Now, let's remove the old handle. Begin by locating the two visible screws on the interior side of your door handle. Use the appropriate screwdriver to loosen and remove these screws completely. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the two halves of the handle, separating them from the door. Finally, carefully slide out the latch mechanism from the small opening on the edge of the door. With the old handle removed, it's time for the new installation. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, making sure it's oriented correctly. Next, slide the exterior handle into position, carefully aligning its spindle with the latch mechanism. Then, attach the interior handle, ensuring its components align properly. Finally, secure the interior handle by inserting and tightening the two screws provided with your new hardware. After installing your new handle, it's crucial to test its functionality. Turn the handle several times to ensure it operates smoothly and opens the door without resistance. Check that the latch engages and disengages cleanly with the strike plate on the door frame. Make any minor adjustments if needed. Finally, ensure all screws are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could damage the handle or door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.